Welcome to KPR Institute of Technology. You scan for this 3D printer controller. It is having one display and one button. So you need to press, and to move up and down you need to rotate this. So first enter into prepare. Auto home means the hot end will reach the home position if you give this command. Similarly, to move axis along X, Y and Z direction using this, you can, for example, I'm going to move along X direction now. So this is moving along X direction. So if you want to move along Y direction, again go back, move axis 1 mm and select move Y. So now the platform is moving along Y direction. Similarly for Z direction also. So go to move Z. This is moving along Z direction. If you want to move the hot end to the home position, it's it auto home. Once it reaches this end, it hits a limit switch and finally it stops to the maximum extent. That is the home position of this 3D printer. Even we can control the temperature. For example, the nozzle temperature, bed temperature, fan speed using this option. Okay. So this is all about the controller of this 3D